Hello YouTube, this is FlexiSpot Adjustable Standing Desk Pro. Here is the disclaimer, we got this product to try for free. This table is shipped in two separate packages. This is the heavier one with parts for assembling the base stand with motor, control panel and the related electricals. A flat box with desk surface comes as a separate package. Packaging is compact and all parts are very well organized. In this video, you would find the step-by-step assembly instructions while I demo it. It is fairly easy to do. You would be able to set up this table in about 15 minutes. At the end of this video, you would find a step-by-step demo of features and control panel. While you watch this step-by-step assembly, I would like to explain why we needed this table and how it helps us in our day-to-day life as a YouTuber. For each video we upload to Fusion Cooking channel, a lot of research and time goes into making the video. While you watch baby food recipes or recipes and videos related to healthy eating, you see just the recipe or a video about healthy food idea. We usually research and identify a topic a few weeks earlier, then brainstorm the idea and finalize the steps, ingredients, and how we are going to present the topic or a recipe idea. Most of this is done on a desk. It's a desk work basically. Shooting the video is the easier one, which is usually done under an hour. Again, the work goes back to table. We typically edit the pictures using Adobe Lightroom software. We put together video clips, pictures and audio in iMovie Video Editor, which comes with Apple devices. In our case, it is MacBook Pro. All this obviously suggests we spend almost 3/4 of the video making time on desk. Most of it is done during the nights and weekends. Having a flexible and height adjustable work table makes it easier at every step of our YouTube video making process. After getting this FlexiSpot height adjustable table, we found we don't need to adjust the height of our tripod or getting different zoom levels when we shoot the video. As we spend hours working on the videos, it is healthier to switch between sitting and standing positions. Sometimes it just changes the scenery from the window or just beats the boredom of sitting at one place for hours. It helps retain the natural posture and also helps prevent neck, lower back and other joint pains. This table comes with a range of heights from 2 feet all the way up to 4 feet. There is flexibility to make small or big height adjustments with push-up buttons. It also comes in different surfaces areas from 3.5 to 5.5 feet wide, giving flexibility in choosing the work area you need. You can keep 3 different heights into memory presets so you don't have to fiddle with height adjustments all the time. For example, I set sitting and standing heights for myself in memory presets 1 and 2. My kid was excited to set up a sitting height preset for his chair level. Sometimes we get lost in work and forget to switch positions. So this table comes with a long time sitting reminder feature. We can set up to 45 minutes reminders. Our assessment is overall it's a great tool for a YouTuber or any professional spending good part of working day at desk. You would find the product link and the link with the $30 discount code in the description below. Don't forget to watch all the way to the end to see the demo of height adjustment settings and long time sitting reminder. Also, you'd be surprised to see how much weight it can handle while moving up and down. Thank you all for your support and continued patronage to our channel. See you next time in another video. Bye.